dare not take Peter Obi for granted, because over and above his southeastern numbers, he's become the messiah figure of angry Nigerians who want a new order. You can't take that for granted.
Can this be true, that Peter Obi is a messiah of a sort for angry ordinary Nigerians? The presidential election of 2023 has come and gone. The battlefield shifted from Nigerian Supreme Court to Cote d'Ivoire, while the Super Eagles of Nigeria will be playing the Elephants of Cote d'Ivoire. The President of Nigeria, BOLA AHMED Tinubu, will be there. Peter Obi will be there. Who this time around will win the popularity contest? Watch as we unveil what is going on.
Nigeria's President BOLA AHMED Tinubu will be in attendance when the Super Eagles take on host Cote d'Ivoire in the final of the 2023 Africa Cup of Nations.
Tomorrow. I wish tomorrow never comes. The Super Eagles of Nigeria will meet the Elephants of Cote d'Ivoire in the grand final of this year's African Cup of Nations. Peter Gregory Obi, the man of the moment, the man who won Nigerian presidency in the general election of 2023, was present when Nigeria beat Angola. Even though the Nigerian vice president was present when it happened, but he was ignored by the populace when they embraced Peter Obi by chanting his name, Obi, Obi, Obi. It shows the disdain of Nigerians, both home and abroad, for the Nigerian elites and politicians. Tomorrow, Peter Obi will be present, though I urge him not to go. Let it not seem as a popularity contest between him and the Nigerian president, who represents Nigerian elites and politicians and their failures, especially going by the hardship that ordinary Nigerians are going through. In the past, when an unpopular president was present when the Super Eagles of Nigeria engaged any country in football match, Nigerians have always gone ahead to lose. Tomorrow, will history repeat itself if BOLA AHMED Tinubu will be there when the finals will be played? Or will Peter Obi still carry his luck and transfer it to the field, and the Super Eagles will ride on that horse and win? It's another popularity contest that will not just happen in the field, but off field, when these two elephants, one popular and one unpopular, will meet. Who will win? Get in the comment section and let me know what you think between BOLA AHMED Tinubu and Peter Obi, who both have been announced will be present when the Elephants of Cote d'Ivoire engage the Super Eagles of Nigeria. Who will carry the fate of the people through? See something, say something, and please do something. Tomorrow, Peter Gregory Obi versus BOLA AHMED Tinubu. The suffering of the masses versus the hope of the masses that was dashed by the Nigerian Supreme Court. This is Open Whispers.